Hello there, this is Z here. Today we are going to review this lovely slime and LOL litters and LOL pet. Let's get cracking. Let's see what we have in this lovely box. Ooh, can't wait to see what we have. We got the glue. We have some more glue. And we have the slime activator, the beautiful vibrant colors, the mixing bowl, the lovely glitters. It's going to make it shimmery and more mixing stuff. Let's get mixing. We're going to add 15 ml of the clear glue like the instruction says. We're going to pour that in the mixing bowl. There we go. And we are going to add 25 ml of water. But now we are going to add the 3 colors in the slime. I'm going to add the pink one, the purple one, and the green one. Now let's add the glitter to make it even more beautiful. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. It's going to be great. Let's keep mixing. Let's add the 5 ml slime activator to activate the slime. And let's mix until it becomes a slime consistency. Oh my god, look at that. It's turning into a slime already. We're going to keep mixing until all the water is gone. So let's get mixing. Oh, look at those beautiful colors. You can see the purple and the pink in there. Oh, it's coming around great already. Let's keep mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Now let's try and mix it faster. Ah, look at the slime. It looks like a slime galaxy. I've never seen a galaxy before. This is the first time I'm seeing one. Look at that. Now let's work it with our hands to even make it more slime consistency. Oh, look at that. So pretty. I can play with this all day. Look at that beautiful color of it. It even looks more beautiful up close and personal. Let's keep playing with it and make it more slime consistency. Oh, the texture is so stretchy and so lovely. Look at that. It's so lovely to play with. Oh. Yeah, it's got a bit messy. Got some on my hands there. But I love making this lovely slime. Oh, look at that. I can't believe we made that. That is great. Now that we've made the lovely slime, we are going to open the Hello World surprise litters. Let's see what we got here. One wrapper down. I think one more to go. Oh, look. It's a pink hair roller. How great is that? Let's open it up. Ooh, we have the glass. We have the guy's collector here. Let's see which one we're going to get here today. Can't wait to see what we're going to have. Let's open our first packet. Ah, we have one of the accessories. Let's open the second one. OMG, look at that cool sunglasses. That is so cool. Can't wait to see what we have here. So exciting. Oh, look at that little pet. Isn't it so cute? His name is Tummy Tide. He's part of the swimming club. Oh, adorable is he? Let's try to put on his sunglasses and see how cool it looks in them. OMG. It looks so cool and so adorable. Now let's open the Hello World surprise pet and see what pet we have here today. Pack it down, I think. Well, almost. It's quite hard to open this packet. They're like super duper glued on. Look, it's a pink ball. This was hiding in there. There we go. Let's see what we have in the collector's guide and have an idea of what we might get today. Look at all those cute pets. I wonder which one we're going to get. Oh, I can't wait. What do we have here? Oh, we have like a little dustpan. Have in the second one. Oh, look, we have a sleeping mask. And they're one of the pet accessories as well. It's a feeding bottle. We're gonna feed the pet. Can't wait to feed the pet. There goes the pet. Let's see which pet we have. OMG. She is so adorable. Look how beautiful and colorful she looks. Her name is Sleeping Buns. She's part of the nap club. Oh, adorable. She loves napping. Oh, so do I. Who doesn't? Ooh, I think we have more surprise in there. Ooh, let's see what's in there. Let's open it up. It's a hello. It's a LOL sand with some paws on the sand. How cool is that? Oh, the texture of the sand is beautiful. It literally glides through the hands. OMG! We have like a little teacups. How cute is that? Let's put in the pet sleeping mask. Oh, it says a potato couch. Let's try and feed the pet. Oh, she must be hungry. Let's see what she does. Some of them do cry when you feed them. Let's see what she does. Let's feed her more. Now let's squeeze her. Oh, look, she's spitting. Just like I guessed, she is spitting. How adorable is she when she spits? Oh. Let's give her a nice cup of tea. And a sleeping mask. Oh, cute. Okay, let's dip the pet in the warm water and cold water. Oh, look, it changes color. Oh, look at his swimsuit. It changed color to pink. Let's dip in the warm water. It's gone. Now let's dip in the cold water. It's back. The swimsuit. How adorable. Let's do the same for Sleeping Buns. Now let's dip it in the cold water and see what changes in her. Oh, I can see some pink there. Oh, it's a skeleton. It's pink. You can see it on her chest and on her legs as well. How cute. That'll be all for today. Thank you very much everyone for watching my videos. Love you. Mwah. Take care.